People, before the video start, man, to click it 3 link them in the description. 3 link them in the description, you see it. And subscribe to the channel, you see it. Turn on the post notification bell, you see it. Man, to subscribe to the channel, support them. Alright, watch the full video now.
Story man.
Listen, we gonna shop today, you come on, pay my gold for the so we gotta go buy chicken back and rice. That's it.
What's up? Hungry man.
Story man.
Where Junior there? Junior! Junior! I want that boy there, man. I can't bet you a golf the boy around the swap playing. I'm going to take that damn in golf stick there from him, watch. I say I'm going to take it from him.
Yes, Gramps, I'm a last shot.
Shit.
Come man.
Joe, look how long me I call the boy.
See how you call me, me go
How you
drop.
there do?
You know see me drop, see how you
Where
call
will
me.
they close dirty so?
How me drop.
You go sit down and wash it. You hear me say? What me say?
Machine.
You go sit down and crowd me out. You know what?
Me not gonna shop, you know.
Yeah, boy. That take it. Oh yeah, that. Good. Take up that. Take up that. Take up that. Take up. You're bright, huh? You're damn bright. But you're not. You're sure.
See how you want me close that you.
Get bicycle there.
Bicycle puncher.
You punch at the bicycle. I saw you go turn. You know, ride back here. Backside. Hold this. Hold that. Scandal bag scares. Drop up in that. I know why you grumble, you know.
Man, give me money.
Hold this, man. And shove in your pocket. You will laugh with money, me kill you.
Tell a bit of money.
Look a bit of money, what? Go on. What? You know if you buy already, you know.
I know what to buy.
Pound of rice and pound of chicken back. Walk up, man. Right.
Tell this last shop too big.
Pound of rice and pound of chicken back. Pound of rice and pound of chicken back.
I did think that.
Pound of rice and pound of chicken.
Chicken back right now, even. Chicken back, me Gramps chicken back.
3 hours later.
Oh, Jonah, no come back yet. Jesus Christ, this a boy just send up people pressure, you know. Look how long send out the boy if you buy 1 pound of rice and 1 pound of chicken back. Jeez, wait till he come.
Pound of rice and
Pound of rice, beat me.
pound of rice and
Walk up a Gramps.
Jesus Christ, that the boy they going to make me kill him. No, Sal, call him saying the boy in the shop. No, man. Oh, Junior, hurry up, you know. Wait till I reach up here.
Pick up and go stick, yeah. Fret and Gramps go beat me, you know, you remember when he buy and he go say, me not know head.
You just a reach. You just a reach.
You know, see, me just a reach Gramps.
You just a reach. Not talk to me with the baby voice, man. You just a reach.
Mm-hmm.
Give me the bag. Give me the damn bag. So rice alone you buy? Rice alone can yam?
lady say no chicken back.
Rice alone can't eat.
The lady say no chicken back.
The lady say no chicken back. Junior, the lady say she no chicken back. The lady tell you that. Liar boy. Run out of what?
Chicken back.
No, what's happening? Rice alone you go shop go buy, eh? Rice alone you go shop go buy, eh?
And that did it.
Rice alone that big old supermarket, eh?
And I me did it, but the money can't buy.
Hey boy, you know say I'm going to make, hey! Give me this.
Oh yeah.
Junior, what you? Yeah, man, Gramps beat you. Yeah, man, they play hopscotch.
Starts with a S and ends with a V2. Make sure you like and subscribe, it's for free, dude.